coloring is so cool. Yeah. There's a step down there. The dog's already been out once. You want to be? Come on, you fool. And Mama go first. Good boy. He doesn't do well with snow. Everything else going on right now. I'm gonna shovel this down too. Yeah. I can't believe there's this much freaking snow. Okay, the forecast for yesterday just said snow. That's it. Snow. Pardon me. I don't have my snowshoes, but I gotta make a path for the dog. Him's not a fan of winter at all. You know, he's gonna go back and forth there, do his business. Winter, I usually snowshoe a path for him. It's snowing. You can see she's accumulating. The truck. Apparently I'll have to leave. Peggy and I have an agreement. She knows I'm never going to be on time. I do try, but I mean, off the grid, there's stuff that comes up that I just can't control. You know what it's like, those of you that live it. This is what the truck's supposed to be red between the salt all over it and now the snow. I need to get way, way, way upriver at some point too. I love this stuff though. It just makes me want to do a snow angel. Guess what I'm doing? In my pajamas. With my winter snowstorm coat too. Of course. The dog's ready to go back in. It's enough playing for today.